So today we're going to be talking about whether Redbubble is finally over and if there's other online opportunities you guys can use to make money online, whether it's through print on demand or other methods. If that's something you're looking forward to, make sure to drop a like, subscribe with the notification bell, and with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. On this channel, I make content to help motivate and give you guys tips and tricks on how you can make money online through print on demand and sites like Redbubble. And I've helped a lot of people make their first online sales. Now, after Redbubble being popular for so many years, is it now in a decline where it's not even worth trying out? This is the question a lot of people have been asking me, and I thought I'd finally cover it fully in depth in this video. Now, for those that don't know, Redbubble actually started, I think it was back in 2008. I found it around 2019, so that was 11 years after it actually became a thing. And between 2019 up until 2021, and continue to post content, as in upload designs onto a few different pages. And I thought in this video I would actually go through my most recent earnings on my lowest earning page to show you whether Redbubble is still something you guys can try out or if it's not worth your time. Now, one thing I noticed in the comments were people saying that Redbubble doesn't allow you to earn as much as it used to, which is true. They put certain things in place which meant that you weren't earning as much as you did, as they take a certain cut that's higher than it used to be, which is a downside, but you still can earn money with Redbubble. As of this past December, on my lowest earning account, I think it clocked in just over £200, and this is an account I've not put designs on since 2021. So over the past 3 years, I've not really touched it, and it still made that amount technically now passively, although I did have to initially put in the work to get there. And for anyone that is new to Redbubble that's wondering how I did this, so what I wanted to do on most of my pages is make sure that I had a minimum of 100 designs, and with some of the pages I'll just leave them there to see what happens. And with this page, as you see on the screen now, still making sales, and it's still been doing its thing, although other people have given up when it comes to Redbubble. Now, if you're someone who's struggling to create a Redbubble account, or who's not had too much success, but you still do want to make money online, another opportunity out there is TikTok Shop. Now, I personally started TikTok Shop on December 24th, 2023, so it's been just over a year since I started doing that, and within 5 months I think I got to my first 10k plus. When I say 10k, I don't mean 10k revenue. I made over 10k profit for the first time with TikTok Shop in May. And in terms of how much I averaged throughout the whole year, I think I'll do another video where I break that down. So if that's something you want to see, let me know down in the comment section. If I see 3 or more people show interest, I'll make a separate video on that, and I might even make a TikTok Shop series showing you guys how you can go from step 1 to the steps where you can actually start doing things to bring in those sales. But yes, if you're someone who's trying to make money online, TikTok Shop is another alternative that's out there for you guys to try out. However, if you're looking to stay in print on demand, besides Redbubble, there's also sites out there such as Etsy. Now, I used Etsy in the past and I didn't really get into it as much as I did with Redbubble, but I did get sales through Etsy, and Etsy is a site that allows you to also get ads and pay for ads on your design. This pushes things to the front page, and if you can find something that's currently trending, this will highly increase your chances of getting sales. So if you're trying out different things and you haven't tried out Etsy yet, definitely give Etsy a try. I've heard so many success stories. That's pretty much all I'm going to cover this video. Like I said, if you want to know more about TikTok Shop, let me know down in the comment section. As for Redbubble, is it over? Personally, I don't think it's over. You won't make as much as you could have made in the past, but there's still some extra opportunity to make some side income if that's something you're interested in. I've also got a free print on demand starter guide for anyone that's looking to get into it for the first time and learn the basics so you can start getting your first sales. However, if you're looking to make more money, I've also got a paid print on demand guide linked down below, alongside a full-on playlist that will take you through the basics, that will help you get started. That's completely free here on YouTube. Remember to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. And don't forget, guys, that everything is rigged in your favor. I'll catch you next time.